Hello friends, welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox Health Sense Accu-Beat Pulse Oximeter. The model number for this Health Sense Accu-Beat Pulse Oximeter is FP910. This is the first product of Health Sense that I have purchased. I purchased this product from Amazon at Rs 2,499. So before unboxing this product, let me tell you what is a pulse oximeter. So basically, pulse oximeter is a device used to measure pulse in beats per minute and the oxygen saturation level in your blood. So before starting the unboxing, let me show you what's written on the box. Front side, you can see the Health Sense branding. Here is the model number Accu-Beat Pulse Oximeter and the model number is FP910. Here is the image of the product. You can see it's written designed in India and it has got a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. On the left side of the product, you can find some prominent features of this product like the plethysmograph indicator, SpO2, pulse rate and perfusion index. It is accurate and reliable. It has got the anti-motion technology, which is basically you can measure your vitals while moving. It has got one button operation. It has got a OLED display which is bright. It has got a medical grade material. It has got a 4-direction display and it has got an alarm and a pulse beep. On the right side of the box, you can see there is the importer and the manufacturer details, and the MRP mentioned on this box is Rs 3,000. You can see the month and year of import is August 2020. On the back side of the box, you can find some more specifications like its display type, display content, the SpO2 display range, which is from 0% to 100%, the pulse rate measurement rate, which is from 25 beats per minute to 250 beats per minute. You can see the inbox content, which is the pulse oximeter. It has got 2 AAA batteries. It has got a lanyard. It has got a user manual and a warranty card. So without further delay, let's unbox this product. Let's open the box. So the first thing you see when you open the box is the warranty card. Let's keep the box aside and let's see what's on the warranty card. You can see the Health Sense branding here. When you open the warranty card, you can see one-step registration and support. So you can scan this QR code to register for warranty, and to file a complaint you can scan this QR code. Here you can find the privileges for a Health Sense customer, like its affordable off-site service policy, protection for all technical and manufacturing defects, unlimited number of repairs, continued support on repairs and service, replacement if non-repairable under warranty, post-warranty coverage on labor charges. There are some limitations of the warranty, like if the product is damaged by misuse, mishandling or accident, the warranty will be void. If there is unauthorized repair, the warranty will be void, or if there are improper installations. Let's keep this aside. There's a certificate which says date. Then we got a user manual by Health Sense. You see, this is the user manual. Let's keep this aside. So here is the oximeter. You can see. Let's take the oximeter out. Let's keep this aside. You can find a lanyard. I've already installed the battery. There were 2 batteries. So here is the oximeter. The build quality of this oximeter is really very good. You can see this is the device here. And it seems to have a very good build quality. We can measure the vitals by pressing it here and putting our finger inside here. It's very easy to use. On the back side, you can see Health Sense branding. You can see the product name, the commodity, battery voltage and the serial number. We can install the battery here. So The two batteries are installed. Both are the AAA batteries. Close it from here. Let's switch this on. You can see it's written Pulse Oximeter. There is the percentage of SpO2. This is the battery percentage. This shows that sensor is off because there is nothing inside the sensor. So let me put my finger here, and it also has the auto off technology. So if you don't put your fingers for 5 seconds, the device will switch off on itself. So we need to switch it on again by pressing this button. And let's put my finger inside and let's measure the vitals. It is measuring. You can use this on any finger. So there's a beep coming. So you can see this is the SpO2 level, which is 99%. This is my beats per minute, which is 84, and it is in real time. It's dynamics, so it is changing. There is the plethysmograph, and this is the perfusion index, which is 2.4. In the next clip, I'll be comparing this HealthSense oximeter with a BPL oximeter, which costs almost same. So you can see here is the BPL oximeter and here is the HealthSense oximeter, and it's time to compare both the oximeters as they both almost cost the same price. So let's switch on the oximeter, and here it is. So I'm placing it in one hand, one finger, and I'm placing this oximeter on the other. You can see BPL is showing 96 SpO2, HealthSense is showing 97, 98. You can see the beats per minute, which is the pulse, is almost the same on both, and both are producing dynamic pulse, so it's updating every minute. You can see that. The results are pretty similar, and I'm also going to measure the pulse on my Mi Smart band. You can see, let's switch on the heart rate sensor, and you can see it's showing 82, which is actually very close. So here are the test results, guys. You can see both the oximeter performed very well. The sensor is off, so it will switch off on its own, and you can switch it off like this. It will also switch off. And here are the pulse oximeters. We have seen the comparison result. It's time to conclude the video. I would recommend you guys to buy this product. As you could see in the last clip, I compared it with the BPL pulse oximeter and the results were pretty similar. That means this device is really very accurate. I got this product from Amazon because the rating of this product on Amazon was 4.5 stars. There were different pulse oximeters available on Amazon at different price range, but I think this is the right product and you guys should definitely buy this pulse oximeter. I'll put a link of this product in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and have a very wonderful day.